How to change language in Google Maps. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps our channel grow a lot. Thanks. Now let's head to the video. First you open the app. Once you open the app, you'll find multiple options, but you have to click on the top right on your profile. Once you click on your profile, you have to scroll down and you'll find the setting option. Click on that. Once you click on that, you'll find many options and you might get confused, but you have to click on navigation, and here you'll find an option of voice selection. You can click on voice selection and then scroll down to whichever language you would prefer, and it would of course suggest you your default language, locally English, Hindi, whichever country you are from, they'll suggest you. But if you want to select a language, you can select it from here. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.
It's 6 o'clock.